Monday, I am waiting. Tuesday, I am fading. And by Wednesday, I can't sleep. Then the phone rings, I hear you.
Man, I remember my very first presentation when I got started in network marketing. It was 8 years ago. It was in March of 1999. At the time, I was 19 years old. I had never had a job in my life. I never had a business in my life. As a matter of fact, the only thing I've ever done is network marketing. The only thing I wanted in my life at that time is to be a lawyer. I thought that my goal of life was to become a lawyer. So I was studying real hard, but I was $25,000 in debt. And, you know, I don't know how credit ratings work in the US, but in Canada, the credit rating system works like this. If you're a R1, it means you're excellent. You'll get anything you want. You could borrow as much as you want. If you're a R9, it means don't even try to go to the bank because somebody's waiting with a gun not to let you in. That's basically what it means. And I was an R9, okay? So I could tell you that my credit rating was impossible. I couldn't borrow any more money. I had no more choice. I was living in the same bedroom as my brother. I was driving a Chevette 1987, and that's a type of car, not a hairdo, okay? And the entire value of the car was less than what it cost to get involved with ACN. And I'm not talking about a monthly payment here. I'm talking about the total value of the car. It was a beautiful thing, black and rust, 2 colors. It was fantastic. But it was worth less than what it cost to get involved with ACN. So the way I got involved is I looked in an ad in a newspaper that said, get paid every time the phone rings. And I remember when I saw that ad, I was more skeptical and curious than anything. But I was so curious, I had to figure out what it was. And I called up the ad, and the guy who answered, I mean, the ad was in French. You know, we speak French in Montreal. The ad was in French. The guy who answered didn't speak a word of French. Here's exactly how he answered. He goes, "What's up, mate?" I go, "Hi, I'm calling about the ad." You know, he goes, "Do you want to make some money, mate?" I go, "What is this about?" "Do you want to make some money, mate?" I'm like, "Can you tell me a little bit about it?" "No, bro. Do you want to make some money, mate?" "Yes or no, bro? Don't waste my time. Do you want to make money? Yes or no?" I mean, the only time in my life I heard an accent like that was Tony Montana in Scarface, you know. And this guy's here on the phone telling me, "Do you want to make some money?" He tells me he's got to meet me in a coffee shop. And when I met him in a coffee shop, I remember like it was yesterday. This guy, let's just call him Tony Montana from now on. He sat down with me, and he pulled out a placemat. And he had no official documentation. All he had was the placemat that was on the table of that coffee shop. And here's how he explained the business to me. He goes, "Bro, do you want to make money?" I go, "Yes." He goes, "Here's the first thing, bro. This is you." And he draws a circle at the top of the sheet. And for me, he drew a big circle, you know. And then he goes, "The first thing you need to do is, do you know a few people that have a phone?" Stupid question, you know. Yeah, obviously. He goes, "Can you get a few customers?" I go, "Yeah." He goes, "The second thing is you got to show other people." Now, he didn't show me any details of numbers. He just drew 3 who get 3 who get 3. And on that placemat, there was a whole bunch of circles. And I mean, the guy, after showing me that entire business, without no details or anything, just they get customers, you get a percentage, you get bonuses, you make a lot of money, you know. And at the end, he wrote unlimited income potential at the bottom. And I was not convinced. But I knew he made a lot of money because he had a nice car and everything. But I was still not convinced. Here's what truly convinced me, is at the bottom of that page, when he wrote unlimited income potential, he made a spelling mistake in unlimited. And that sounds stupid, but that's what convinced me. Because I looked at this guy and I was like, "Bro, if he can do it, I could do it. I'm going to make a fortune, you know."
Monday, I am waiting. Tuesday, I am fading. And by Wednesday, I can't sleep. Then the phone